Hello, friends. Welcome to another math meeting. It's time for math. Miss Green is going to send your math lesson today to your mommy, daddy, grandma, to your family member so that you can watch the video today on Monday, April the 20th. And then Miss Green will upload your lessons. I want you to take your time on your lessons this week so that you can do your best and get your best grades in school, and so that you're ready to do your math quiz on Wednesday when we upload it. Some of you guys are doing really good on your quizzes and your lessons, but I want you to make sure you're taking your time so that you lock it in your brain and you remember, especially in first grade. All right? So take your time on your lessons, do your best on your quiz. Don't rush through it so that you can do your absolute best. Yes, yes? All right. Let's get started with our math song. 1, 2, 3. Math is so much fun for everyone. Math, math. Numbers, symbols, shapes, and signs. I see math all around. Math, math. Math is so much fun for everyone. Math, math. Numbers, symbols, shapes, and signs. I see math all around. Math, math. All right. How about we do our months of the year again? Listen for your birthday month. When you hear your birthday month, I want you to shoot on your birthday month. Are you ready? Here we go. There's January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year. One more time. There's January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year. Good job. Hope you remember that birthday month. Tell your mommy your birthday and the date. All right, don't forget that birthday. All right, next song is Notre Dame's, one of Notre Dame's favorite, 5 Little Monkeys Swinging in the Tree. Don't let Mr. Alligator get them. All right, here we go. 5 little monkeys, and we're going to get started with the rest of our lesson. Make sure you have your paper and your pencil so you're ready to work along with Miss Green. Make sure you're sitting down. Make sure you're tracking the screen, listening, and practicing on your paper with Miss Green. I'm watching. All right, here we go. 5 little monkeys swinging in a tree. 1, 2, 3. 5 little monkeys swinging from a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me. No, you can't catch me. Na, 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 can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, as quiet as could be. And he snapped that monkey right out of the tree. How many left? There were 5. He snapped 1. 4 little monkeys swinging from a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me. No, you can't catch me. Na, 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 can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, as quiet as could be. And he snapped that monkey right out of the tree. 3 little monkeys swinging from a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me. No, you can't catch me. Na, 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 can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, as quiet as could be. And he slapped that monkey right out of that tree. 2 little monkeys swinging from a tree. Teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me. No, you can't catch me. Na, 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 can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, as quiet as could be. And he snapped that monkey right out of that tree. One little monkey swinging from the tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me. No, you can't catch me. Na, 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 can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, as quiet as could be. And he snapped that monkey right out of that tree. How many monkeys left now in that tree? You're right. 0, none. Mr. Alligator got them. They have to try again. All right, friends. Let's do our numbers. Then we're going to do some counting. We're going to work on patterns today, our number line, missing numbers, and subtraction. You guys are so smart. You've been doing so good with your adding and adding 1. Now we're doing some more subtraction. So be ready. All right. First, Miss Green's going to hold up these numbers and you're going to say them at home. Not me. You're going to say them. Numbers 0 through 20. Go, my smart kiddos. Next, get ready, get ready. Okay, pretty smart, pretty smart. Numbers are getting bigger. Easy peasy. Next. 0, nothing. You ready? You ready? You ready? Boom! Some of you guys at this age have a birthday coming up. First grade, you'll be 7 like this number. Next, 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 next. Get ready for those teenage numbers. Do you know this one? 10 ones and 2 ones, 12. Next. Ooh, teenage numbers. 1 comes first and then 4, 14. Next. I know you don't know this next one because it's a big number, first grade number. Who knew that one? Who knew it? 18. You're right. Okay. Few more. Ooh-wee. Big number 20. Ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. Boom. Number 19. Good job. Keep practicing those numbers. Make you a little packet like Miss Green did in my numbers. Just write them on paper, write them on some index cards, and practice them at home. Remember, we used to practice doing them slow like an old lady and then going super lightning fast. You can practice those at home also by yourself. All right. Miss Green has a book about numbers, and then I'm going to share my screen with you and we're going to practice counting to 100. We're going to practice counting by tens and the math way, and then we're going to get started with our number line and patterns. Here we go. There were 10 in the bed. 10 what in the bed? 10 people, 10 friends? 10 animals, 10 puppies in the bed. Who has a puppy at their house that gets in the bed with them? Stinky puppy dog. All right, there were 10 in the bed. Excuse me. It is illustrated by Suzanne Chapman Callatry. Let's look at the back cover. Some blurb words. Who could resist 10 adorable puppies? Read along and count down from 10 down to 1 with this all-time favorite song and book. There were 10 in the bed. Here we go. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, one up here. 10. 10 in the bed. Here we go. No, that sounds like the song we just sung, except they were in a tree. There were 10 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. One fell out. So now there were 9 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one more fell out. Boom. Now, there were 8 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one more fell out. Excuse me. Now, there were 7 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Oh, puppies. All those puppies in the bed. Now, there were 6 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one more fell out. How many in the bed now? Goodness gracious. Just like those monkeys in the bed. There were 5 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. How many in the bed now? There were 4 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one more fell out. Now there were 3 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one more fell out. Those dogs in bed, those puppies, they should be in their dog bed. Now, there were 2 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one more fell out. Oh, goodness. Now, how many in this bed? All these puppies. Now, there was 1 in the bed, and the little one said, I found it. I found it. What did he find? Look at all their faces. How do they feel about this? There's the song. They found the bone. It was hidden underneath all those puppies under the pillow. They love those bones. Counted down from 10 down to 0. All right, let's try that with our bear dens, our counting fingers. Get those hands up. We're gonna count up to 10 and back down to 0. Then we're gonna count the math way, Spanish, and then we're gonna count to 100. Need to practice every day counting to 100 so that you know the right order. All right, here we go. Bear dens up. Ready and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, math way, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back down, 10, excuse me, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, blast off. Let's try it the math way up to 20, the say 10 way. Let's see who remembers. Ready and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 2 10s. Good job. Good job. All right, one more and one less. Here we go. Keep those bare ends up. Up to 10, one more. Back down to 0, one less. All right, we're taking away just like on our number line. If we're going up higher, we're adding one more. If we're going down, one less. Taking away like in our subtraction today. All right, get ready. One more. Let's start with 0. Ready and count. 0. One more than 0 is 1. One more than 1 is 2. One more than 2 is 3. One more than 3 is 4. One more than 4 is 5. One more than 5 is 6. The math way. One more than 6 is 7. One more than 7 is 8. One more than 8 is 9. One more than 9 is 10. Let's go back down. One less. 10. One less than 10 is 9. One less than 9 is 8. One less than 8 is 7. One less than 7 is 6. One less than 6 is 5. One less than 5 is 4. One less than 4 is 3. One less than 3 is 2. One less than 2 is 1. One less than 1 is 0. 0. All right. Let's count in Spanish, and then I'm going to pull up the 100s chart for us to count to 100. All right. Spanish up to 20. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, y 20. Muy bien, very good, muy bien. All right, Miss Green is going to pull up my shared screen, and we're going to do some counting. All right. Let me get my screen up. I know everybody has been practicing that counting to 100. I know. The screen has so much open for us today. I know that my friends are ready. Here we go. Let me go up to the top a little bit. We're going to go 1 through 100. All right, here we go. 1 through 100. Over here is our 10s that we'll do next. Here we go. Ready and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50, we're halfway to 100. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Good job. Let's go down this side and count by tens to 100. We're going to do it 2 times, by tens to 100. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Again, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Who was able to count all to 100 by tens and by ones? Give me a thumbs up if you were able to do that by yourself. Or singing it along with Miss Green. I know that you could do it. All right, we're gonna go back to our screen and we are going to start our patterns. Who remembers patterns? Who remembers what a pattern is? We've talked about patterns. And Miss Green even has some things down here I want you to see with my cubes here. What is a pattern? We do patterns in math. Sometimes we make them on our calendar. Sometimes we do them with our hands, our body. What is a pattern? Okay, I hear some of you guys. Hopefully you're thinking about it. Miss Green wrote right here, A, B, C, and A, B, B. Those are different types of patterns. We talked about them at school. We even did some, like an A-B pattern could be like snap, clap, A, B, A, B, A, B, snap, clap, 2. There's 2 letters, so I have to do 2 things. Snap, clap, A, B pattern, all right? Now let's try an A, B, C pattern. A, B, C. How many letters are there? A, B, C. 3 letters, good. A, B, C. So we have to do 3 things. Ooh, how about clap, stomp, wave? Try it with me. Clap, stomp, wave. Again, clap, stomp, wave. Clap, stomp, wave. A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C. All right, that's an ABC pattern. So we've done an AB pattern. We've done an ABC pattern. Now we're gonna try ABB. How many different letters are in an ABB pattern? How many different letters? ABB, ABB. Oh, only 2 different letters, A, B. These 2 are the same, B are the same. So we do 2 different things, A, B, B. All right, but we have to do the B pattern twice, all right? Because it says A, B, B. Let's think of one more that we could do. Ooh, A, B, B. Ooh, how about we go back and we do pat, clap, clap. A, B, B. A, B, B. Pat, clap, clap. Pat, clap, clap. Pat, clap, clap. Be very careful. It gets a little tricky if you're not paying attention to that pattern. That pattern helps you figure out which order things go in, all right? Which order things go in, all right? The pattern helps you figure that out. So pay close attention because they try to trick you in patterns. But if you're really smart and you focus your attention, you will get your pattern correct. All right, so A, B, B. Let's try it again. Pat, clap, clap. Pat, clap, clap. A, B, B. A, B, B. A, B, B. Did you get it? You can make your own patterns at home. I want you to try an A-B pattern, making a different A-B pattern at home, an A-B-C pattern, and an A-B-B. Let's look at Miss Green's Legos down here. I have a blue one, a green one, a blue one, a green one. So I'm making what type of pattern? Blue, green, blue, green. What will come next? Blue, green, blue, green. What would come next? I have all these colors down here, but what would I put next? Blue, green, blue, green. Oh, I see two colors. Blue, green, blue, green. Blue! I need a blue. That would come next. And then what would be last? Blue, green, blue, green, blue, green would be the last one for that pattern. Good job. Who knows what type of pattern that is? Blue, green, blue, green, blue, green. Is that AB, ABC, or ABB pattern? Blue, green, blue, green, blue, green. Is it ABB? No, because that would be blue, green, green. It's blue, green, blue, green, blue, green. It is an A-B pattern. Good job. A, B, blue, green. Good job. A-B pattern. All right, I'm going to try another pattern and see if you guys catch on to that one. Let's look at this one. Yellow, blue, red. Yellow, blue, red. What would be next? Yellow, blue, red. 3 different colors? Yellow, blue, red. What's first? Yellow's first. I guess I would have to go with yellow again. Yeah. Okay. Yellow, blue, red. Yellow comes after yellow. Blue, 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 blue. Okay. Am I done? There was 3 colors. Yellow, blue, red. Yellow, blue. I need to finish it so that they look the same as the first 3. Yellow, blue, red. Yellow, blue. I'm missing one more red. I know you knew it. Yellow, blue, red. There it is. Let's say it together. Yellow, blue, red. Yellow, blue, red. You have to make sure they go in the same order. Yellow, blue, red. Yellow, blue, red. That's a pattern. But what type of pattern is it? Is it an AB pattern again? Is it an ABC pattern or an ABB pattern? Remember, we use 3 different colors. 3 different colors. So what type of pattern is that? AB, ABC, or ABB? You're right. That is an ABC pattern. 3 different letters, 3 different colors. ABC, ABC. Yellow, blue, red. Yellow, blue, red. ABC pattern. Good job if you got that correct, following that pattern. Good job. Miss Green has a few more on my screen that I'm going to show you. And I'm not going to tell you the answer. I want you to look first and see if you can get it. All right? I want to see if you can get it. All right, here we have some hearts and some diamonds. We're going to figure out what would go next. Heart, diamond, heart, diamond, heart, diamond. What would go next? What would Miss Green draw in that box? Ooh, heart, diamond, heart, diamond, heart, diamond. Let's see if you're right. Ooh, Miss Green is trying to draw with my pen. It's kind of sloppy. Doing my best. Good job. You're right if you said heart. Heart, diamond, heart, diamond, heart, diamond, heart. And then if you really wanted to finish it, you would add at the end a diamond to make that an AB pattern. Next one, square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle. What goes next in that box? I see a pattern. Square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle. Let's see who has it right. Ooh. Square. And after that would come, you're right, 3 sides. Triangle. Sorry, so sloppy. All right, let's try 2 more on this page. All right, rectangle, rectangle, moon. Rectangle, rectangle. What would be next in that pattern? That's a different type of pattern. Rectangle, rectangle, moon. Rectangle, rectangle. Sorry. Moon. Good job. Rectangle, rectangle, moon. Rectangle, rectangle, moon. That is an AAB pattern. AAB. Let's try one more right here. Then I have another page. Circle, diamond, diamond, circle, diamond, diamond, or parallelogram. What's next? Circle, diamond, diamond, circle. What would go next? I know you know. Draw it on your paper. Circle, diamond, diamond, circle, diamond, diamond, circle, diamond, diamond, circle, diamond, diamond. Who has it correct? It would be a circle. Good job if you had that correct. A circle. All right, let's try one more page of patterns. All right, on this page, we see some teddy bears. Teddy bears. All right, we're gonna look at the pattern and we're gonna finish the pattern. So let's look at this AB pattern. Yellow, red, yellow, red. What's next? Yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, and then red. Good job, that's AB. A, B, A, B, A, B. Yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red. Next one, another AB pattern. Purple, red, purple, red. What's the next two? Purple, red. Good job. Purple, red. You have to follow that pattern. I want you to guys to practice these at home, okay? Practice doing these patterns at home. AB, ABC pattern, and ABB pattern, all right? Keep practicing those. AB pattern, ABC pattern, and ABB patterns, all right? Practicing those at home. Good job. You're gonna see those on your lessons this week. So when you see them, you say, Miss Green told me I was gonna see patterns, all right? Follow those patterns, complete the patterns with the shapes. That's one of your assignments. Complete the patterns with the shape, all right? Now, let's move into the missing numbers. Who remembers these missing numbers on one of our last tests? I think it was our last test before we left the school, all right? We talked about these missing numbers. Let me pull you a little bit closer. We talked about these missing numbers and what would come in between. Remember, we used our eyes like this and we covered up the numbers and we looked on a number line like I said, what comes in between 4, I will put my number here, my finger here, and 6. What number comes in between those? Let me pull this a little bit closer for you. What number comes between, I will use my number line and use my fingers or block with my eyes. What number comes between 4 and 6? What's that missing number? Between 4 and 6. Good job if you said 5. Then we can count in order. 4, 5, 6. That's the missing number. Use that number line to help you, or even use your fingers for counting. Let's look at the next one. 10, 12. So here's 10. Here's 12. What is that missing number in the middle? 10, 12. What's that missing number? Good. 11. 10, 11, 12. Be careful. Be careful because they will trick you. What's the missing number between 7 and 9? 7, 9. What is that missing number? Boom, you got it. 8. Right in the middle. 7, 8, 9. I'm going in order now. 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 7, 8, 9. Now, what's the missing number between 13 and 15? What's in the middle of those numbers between 13 and 15? What's in the middle of my fingers? That big number, that teen number. What comes in between? What's one more than 13, but one less than 15? Good job. 14. One more than 13 is 14. One less than 15 is 14. So that's the middle number. Let's look down here. What's the number between 17 and 19? Excuse me, between 17 and 19 on the number line. Look between my fingers. Here's 17, here's 19. What's that middle number? Good, 18. One more than 17 is 18. One less than 19 is 18, all right? So we have, now the numbers are in order. 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 7, 8, 9, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19. I have a bonus one for you. I'm gonna see, can you do it by yourself using the number line or using your fingers? Here's your bonus one. Let's see if you get it. What is the missing number between 14 and 16? What's the missing number between 14 and 16? 14 and 16. Remember, block it out. Maybe you made a number line on your paper at home, or you can point up to the screen. What's the missing number between 14 and 16? Good job. 15 it is. Let's do one more. What's the missing number between, let's find a tricky one. What's the missing number between 6 and 8? It's one that we looked at before. It's one that we looked at. The missing number between 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Between 6 and 8. 7. Good job. Good job. Make sure you use that number line today to help you with your missing numbers. Another one of your lessons this week, your math lessons this week, is fill in the missing numbers from 11 to 20, those big numbers between 11 and 20, all right? So take your time because missing numbers will trick you really fast if you're rushing, all right? Take your time. All right, friends, we're almost done. We've gone through one of your lessons, which are filling in the missing numbers. We've gone through patterns. You're going to be practicing completing the pattern with shapes. And our last lesson that we're going to be doing is subtraction. Ooh, taking away, minus, cross out, take away, all right? Remember subtraction, you take away and the number gets smaller. Adding is when we add more and the number gets bigger. So now we're focusing on subtraction, all right? So let's look over here at our fish and our balloons. Our fish and our balloons. Remember, a lot of times Miss Green tells you, a little number story, and you have to listen carefully to the numbers that I say. You have to cross them out and finish your number sentence, all right? So here's the number story. I'm going to tell you some numbers, and then we're going to try to fill it out together. We're going to do a couple on the screen, and then I'm going to give you a couple to practice at home, and we'll be done, and you can start your math lessons. So proud of you guys. Keep up the good work. All right, here we go. Let's look at the fish. I'll give you a second to look at it, see if you can try to figure out your subtraction sentence. What Mrs. Green is going to say in the story. Okay, when we're subtracting, just like math, we need to count first, all right? So let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many fish are there all together? 6. All right, so this is subtracting. So the biggest number, the whole number, always goes first. So there's 6 fish altogether. Okay. There were 6 fish swimming in the pond. There were 6 fish swimming in the pond. 2 went up for food. How many fish are still in the pond? There were 6 fish swimming in the pond. 2 of them went up for food. How many fish were still in the pond? So there were 6 fish altogether. 2 went away. So 2 we're going to cross out. 1, 2. They went up. They went away for food. So 2 went away. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So here's my numbers. There were 6. 2 of them went away for food. Now there are 4 left. So what are those numbers that I need to put in my number sentence? There were 6 fish. How many went away? How many did we take away? 2 went away for food. They swam away for food. How many are left? 4. Good. And what do I need to do last? Who remembers what Miss Green needs to do last? When it's subtraction and we're taking away, I need to, good, cross out this 2. All right. And when we get further in our subtraction, you know that we'll be doing our number bond. Where we put our numbers in and we cross those out, right? Remember we had 6 all together, 2 swim away. Now there's 4 left. All right, you'll be seeing that some more in your upcoming lessons, okay? All right, let's look at our fish down here. Our balloons. Now we have some balloons. See if you can try to start that problem by yourself. Balloons. Remember our first step, we always count first. Try that on your paper at home. Balloons. All right, let's try it together. You know, Miss Green says that first we need to count. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 group, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many balloons all together? How many balloons all together? 9. Good. So I can put that 9 in my number sentence because I know there's 9 balloons all together. 9 balloons all together. All right, now Miss Green is going to tell you the story. You have to listen for the story. Miss Green already had it drew for you, so this time you didn't have to draw it. Miss Green had it already drawn for you, so you didn't have to draw your own story. So there were 9 balloons, all right? Here's the story. Destiny was having a birthday party. Destiny was having a birthday party. Her mommy brought her 9 balloons. Her mommy bought her 9 balloons. 4 balloons popped. Oh no. How many balloons are left? How many balloons are left? Destiny was having a birthday party. Her mom brought her 9 balloons. Her mom bought her 9 balloons. 4 balloons popped. Oh no. 4 balloons popped. How many balloons are left? How many balloons are left? Try it by yourself first. 4 balloons popped. Ooh. All right, so I had 9 balloons. Destiny at her birthday party had 9 balloons. Then what happened? 4 popped. So we're crossing those out. 1, 2, 3, 4 popped. Oh no. 4 balloons popped. Try it on your paper. So how many balloons do I have left? What do I need to do? I need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My 5 group is left. I have 5 balloons left. So now let's put the numbers in our number sentence. There were 9 balloons. Tell the story over again when you write your number sentence. There were 9 balloons. Then what happened? 4 popped. Now there are 5 left. 9 balloons, 4 popped, 5 are left. And my last step is to, what do I need to do? Good, cross out that 4 because those went away. And if you're really, really smart, you can add your number bond. Remember, if you turn it different ways, the story stays the same. Ooh, the screen is trying to hold the board and write. Sorry, friends. There were 9 balloons. I put that in a hole. 4 of them popped. 5 are left. And my last step is always to cross out the number that went away. 9 balloons, 4 popped. Now there are 5. Good job, friends. I know you remember that subtraction. I know. You guys were so good with it. Loved your addition, but you got really good with your subtraction. So good job. All right. We have a few to go over on the screen, and then Miss Green is going to let you practice on your own and get started on your lessons on Moby Max. I'm going to share my screen with you again. And we're going to look at our Eureka page, our math page. Doesn't it look so familiar? Remember our math pages back when we were at school. Okay, these are our last problems, and Miss Green will let you go. All right, so we have to look at the mice. We have to look at the mice, and we have to draw a line from these pictures to the correct number sentence. So Miss Green is going to show you. It's kind of hard for you to see all of them on here. Here's one more at the bottom. Uh-oh. There it is. All right, let's try the first one. Remember, we always do what first? Always count first. So you would look at the mice. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 mice all together. So you know that 4 is going to be your first number that you'll see over here with your numbers. But you still have to find the number that will come after the minus sign and with the equal sign. All right. So we have 4 mice all together. Then what happened? There were 4 mice in the house. 2 ran away. 1, 2. Now there are, circle that group. Now there are how many left? 2 left. So I'm going to circle that group of 2 so that I don't forget. There were 4 mice. 2 ran away. Now there are 2 left. So we need to find a number sentence that has 4, 2, and 2. Does this one start with 4? Nah. Does this one start with 4? Nah. Does this one start with 4? It does. But what are the other 2 numbers I need? 2 and 2. Yes. 4 mice in the house. 2, cross it out, ran away. Now there are 2 left. Those numbers match. So I can draw a line from here to this one. You guys can use your finger to do it on the screen, or you could draw it on your paper. All right, let's try the next one. First, we always count. Even though we try to just do it with our finger real quick, sometimes we make silly mistakes. So we need to make sure that we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 mice all together. I'm going to circle that number. That's the number I'm going to start with when I write my number sentence, 5. There were 5 mice. A cat chased one of those mice away. Now there are how many mice left? There were 5 mice. A cat chased one away. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4 in that group. 4 left. So now my 3 numbers I'm going to look for in my number sentence are 5, 1, and 4. So let's see. We're going to start with 5. Does this one start with 5? No. Does this one start with 5? Yeah, it does. But does it have my other numbers? 5. I took away 1. No, they tried to trick me. They took away 4, not 1. They mixed my numbers up. So down here at the bottom, it's going to move my screen a little bit. It's going to move my picture a little bit. Down here at the bottom, 5 take away 1 is 4. There it is. So I need to draw a line down to the bottom one. All right. 5 take away 1. Okay, this is acting up. 5 take away 1. I have to draw it down to the bottom. All right, let's do the other 2. Miss Green is going to erase these so we don't get mixed up when I move the screen. Good job on those 2. Let's look at these next 2. Okay. Tricky, tricky, tricky. All right, let's look at this one. Count first. 1, 2, 3 mice. Okay, circle that number. There were 3 mice. What happened? 3 mice. 1 ran away to chase the cheese. Now there are, how many left in this group? 2 left in that group. So there are 3 mice. 1 ran away to catch the cheese. Now there are 2. So we need to find a number sentence that starts with what? That starts with how many altogether? 3. So let's look at the top. Does this one start with 3? Okay. How many ran away for cheese? 1. Okay. And how many were left? 2. So that matches. That one matches. There were 3 mice. 1 ran away to catch the cheese. Now there are 2 left. Good job. So our last one down here, then I'm going to give you some to practice at home. Let's try this one together. Count first, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what's next? What did Miss Green say to do next in subtraction? Keep working on that one. What did Miss Green say to do next? I'm subtracting. The picture's kind of helping me. There were 5 altogether. So I circle the 5. Then what happened? There were 5 mice running in the school. 4 ran away to their mouse hole. How many were left in the school? So 1, 2, 3, 4 ran away to the mouse hole. How many were left in the school? Good. 1. So what number sentence matches that story? There were 5. 1 ran away. 5. No, that says 4 ran away. 4, no, I started with 5. 5 mice. Let's see if it matches. No, 1 ran away. No, we were right up here. There were 5 mice. 4 ran away to the mouse hole. There was 1 left in the school. So that one matches. There it is. Give yourself a hand clap if you got that correct. Kiss your brain. So smart. Good job. So with subtraction, make sure that you always count first. Oh goodness. Make sure that you always count first and then look at the story. Go back and look at the story and make sure the story matches before you write your number sentence, okay? Before you write that part. All right. I'm going to give you a couple to practice at home. I can get down to it. And then you're free to go. So I want you to look at these bears. This first one here, you're going to look at the picture, cross out the amount of bears that the number sentence tells you, and then show that in your picture and make your picture of your teddy bears and your number sentence match. All right? Excuse me. There were 6 bears. 1 went away. Now there are 5 left. Draw that picture or do it on the screen. so that it matches the teddy bears. 6 minus 1 equals 5. You can make up your own story about the teddy bears. And your second one, 7 minus 2 equals 5. Don't forget your crossouts. Draw that on your picture. And if you have it correct, have mommy send Miss Green a picture. Make sure you try your own number story. Make up your own number story about the teddy bears. First one, 6 minus 1 equals 5. Show that in your picture. Make sure you do that last step of crossing out. And then 7 minus 2 equals 5. Try those on your own. Miss Green will give you 30 more seconds, and we will be finished. Good job today. Six minus 1 equals 5. Make sure you cross out the number by the minus sign, by the take away, the subtraction sign. And 7 minus 2 equals 5. Try those. Show them to your adult and have them send me a picture. All right, we are done for today. Thank you for watching the video. I hope everyone does a great and awesome job on their math lessons this week. Miss Green will be putting those up in a few. After you watch the video, I want you to watch the video first and then do your lessons. And on Wednesday, you will have your math quiz. Miss Green is also going to send your adult your grades from last week, how you did on your math quiz, how you did on your math lessons, and if you were participating and listening on your Zoom call. You were on a Zoom call this week. All right, friends, have a magnificent Monday. Have an awesome week, and I will see you on Wednesday for morning meeting. Be good. Use those listening ears. Grow those brains. Love you.